Myth or reality? Every time you go on a big surf adventure, it can be like latter-day pioneering, and riding big waves has always been a captivating challenge of modern surfing. Big waves are actually quite rare. 80% of all ocean waves are less than 12 feet high. For waves over 35 feet, it actually takes from 600 to 900 miles of unobstructed ocean to reach full size. In Australia, there's still a great potential for a big wave mission.
Surfing in Australia is going forward in leaps and bounds, you could say. I think more because people are just finding the waves. They've always been there, and I think it's up there with some of the biggest waves in the world. It's just a matter of putting in the hard yards and finding all these big waves and having access, which usually requires jet skis and big boats and a lot of time and effort and some hardcore bunch of guys to do it properly and to be safe. So it's fantastic when you find it and reap the rewards at the end of it. It's all good fun.
Bit nervous, any time you go out at Shippies and it's big, it's dangerous and it's unpredictable. It's days like this that we really dream about, I guess, and talk about and sort of try to imagine what the wave would do when it got to that size that we hadn't seen before.
So exciting, like following a swell and then actually rocking up and seeing something pretty big and scary in front of you and actually having a go.
I think it's something you slowly get used to, and once you're exposed to it enough, you get comfortable with it and you just want more and more.
Surfers will always go on a mission to fetch those waves. Even world champs like Kelly Slater have a reason to go to Tasmania, because there's that.
I guess is best at about 10 to 12 foot. Really clean and a stiff offshore blowing through it. As soon as it gets to 12 foot plus, it gets that mutated effect, and yeah, that cancels out a lot of waves of being makeable, really.
On this assignment, the crew of hellmen and photographers, including rare big wave rider Kelly Slater, made it in the early morning to Shipstern Bluff.
Yeah, ski dramas. There's some nice sets, like 12 foot. Yeah, towing straight. 5 bugs and 2 guys on ski.
Cold, uninhabited, and lashed by the roaring 40s, Shipstern Bluff is as raw a surfing experience as you could wish for. But guys like Ignacio Spud Salazar taking it mellow and even bolt upright.
Frothing, looks fun.
Booties?
Yeah.
Booties, Sam?
Do you want to boots?
Are you?
No, I am.
You are?
I got boots. What you got, you guys?
Me? Oh, got a 6'3", and a stern. My normal short board,
fuck
5'10".
Yeah, I used to.
It's pretty fun. It looks a lot nicer to have some sun on it. So, go and dodge a couple of things. I think it's like it's a good 8-foot paddlers, and then I think the 12-footers are pretty much hard to. I think the only way I can get them is some towing, but maybe Mark and Hippo and the boys will have a go. Or KS.
The Big Wave crew prepares for a nice swell between paddling and tow-in action. The fast, deep water of the extremely powerful right-hand reef is always in sight. Some bodyboarders are already in the mix to test one of the most challenging waves on the planet. Avalon bred Carl Atkins is ready to check it out, and Master Kelly still trying to keep his balance and takes it with a little bit of humor.
Oh! Not bad for a guy in an office job. Shane Dorian would never forgive me if I didn't paddle.
Well, if you've made the commitment to venture down to Tasmania, and if you've made the commitment to jump into the black, sharky waters, then you've only got one commitment left to make. But it's a big one, because taking off on a wave at Shipstern can be a real lottery. Even for an 11-time world champ like Kelly. Can he master it? Of course he can. Even the usual standouts like Tassie local Marty Paradises can get eaten here. Holy snap!
I almost ran over a bull
You got a pair of sunnies.
Yeah. Nah.
Yeah?
I was going to chill for a bit.
Dylan Cram joins the guys, ready to tackle the abrupt force of shippies. It's true, big waves are the top of the crown for all surfers. They're a wholly fascinating and pure force of nature. If you're searching for them, you should watch our next episode and see what they found in Australia.